Hi guys, now we will see another question. The product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify the statement with the help of examples. Okay, here somewhat I have tried with new handwriting. Okay, what they are asking is the product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. They have given a complete statement. Okay, the product of three consecutive numbers is divisible by 6. Okay, let us take an example. 1 into 2 into 3. What is the value? 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. 6. Now you tell me 6 is divisible by 6. Yes, obviously 6 into 1 equal to 6. So this is divisible. Let us take another example. 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4, 24. This 24 also obviously divisible by 6. How we are saying in 6 table, all these values will come. Okay, we will take another example. 3 into 4 into 5. 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 5, 60. 6 into 10, 60 is coming. So, whatever they are saying, answer is yes. These are divisible by 6. Okay? But necessary condition is they should be consecutive. Consecutive means 1, right after 1, 2 should come. After 2, 3 should come. They should come in a consecutive manner. Likewise, 2 into 3, 3 into 4. These are consecutive. Consecutive means it should come right after the other. 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5. Likewise, if you want, you can try 10 into 11 into 12 or 13 into 14 into 15. All these numbers, all these consecutive 3 digits, their product must be divisible by 6. Okay, we will continue with the next question.